If you've been through the home buying process, then you know how exciting it can be whenever it comes time to being able to select your future home. So that's why in this week's video, I decided to bring you guys another virtual tour of a model home. I'm Patricia Escobedo, and every week I share videos about what it's like to live, work, play, and love your life in San Antonio. So if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Every week I have families who are reaching out to me who are either relocating to the area or wanting to know what it's like to live here, and I absolutely love it. So if that's something that you're wanting, be sure to shoot me an email, send me a text, give me a call, slide into my DMs, however you want to get a hold of me. I've got your back when moving to San Antonio. So if you've been through the home buying process, then you know how exciting it is when you finally get to do your home tours, because you get to really narrow down what it is that you're looking for. So that's the reason why I am bringing these virtual home tours to you, so that you're able to see what San Antonio has to offer, how far your money will get, and the different types of builders and communities that we have to offer. So be sure to tune in to the very end of the video, because I will give you a lot more information about the community, the builder, and their incentives. Before I go into detail with you guys about the builder and the location, I'm going to give you guys a quick tip. And my tip today is going to be that as a buyer, if you hire a realtor, you guys don't pay the realtor, the seller or the builder pays your realtor. So don't be afraid to hire your realtor, have your own representation. Don't ever go into a transaction unrepresented, because remember, the other party and that realtor is going to have that person's best interest at heart before they have yours. So be sure you hire your realtor. Another thing to remember with builders is that their sales reps are not licensed realtors. They work directly for the builders, so they are not totally and completely familiar with the contract, where if you hire your realtor, then your realtor will know the legal part of it, the ins and the outs about the contract, what's legal, what's illegal, what they can offer, what they don't have to offer, and of course, we do the dirty work for you. So now that I've given you my quick tip, I'm going to give you more information now about the community. So this home is built by MI Homes, and this community is located in Converse. So Converse is one of those smaller cities within the bigger city. And it's going to be more on the outskirts of San Antonio, but you're still considered part of San Antonio, and you're still considered part of Bexar County, which is the more important part of it. If you maybe weren't able to completely notice through the home tour, but this is a very open floor plan. This is one of the reasons why I love MI as much as I do, is because they really use their square footage in a very smart way, where you get bigger bedrooms, or you'll get more square footage in your, maybe your master or in your common areas like your kitchen and your living room. So they really use their square footage very well, and their homes are standard 9-foot ceilings. So that's really nice, because even if you go with a smaller home, then your home will feel bigger just because of the fact that you have your 9-foot ceilings. And this is also a gas community, which is also really nice. And as we go through these home tours, you will notice, and I will obviously explain to you, that a lot of these communities are gas communities. So that's like highly desired here in San Antonio. And I think a lot of the builders are just really honing on that part of it. But this builder has a lot of different incentives as far as being able to give you help with closing costs, helping with down payment. They even have a program that will help you build up your credit, so that by the time time comes for you to close on your home, then your credit score will be exactly where you need it to be to close. And there aren't a lot of builders who offer programs like this and help you build up your credit and even let you go under contract on a home without having your credit score be where it needs to be. Of course, obviously going through the process and doing what they're asking you to do to help you build up that credit score will essentially affect you if you're not really following the rules that they have set aside for you to do to be able to get you closed on your home. So again, this is why I really love MI Homes, is because they have a lot of different incentives. They are also considered semi-custom. So if you decide you don't want to do an inventory home or a move-in ready home, then you have the option of purchasing a lot in their community and then building your own home on their lot from the ground up. So you get to really customize it to your needs or your likings, and they don't give you an overwhelming amount of options whenever you're going to do the semi-custom. It's more packages, like you can upgrade cabinets and flooring and maybe your paint color and your exterior, your brick, or do you want stone? You have a lot more options that way. So that's also really nice about MI, is that it's not just you see what you get. You still always have the option of doing a dirt build and customizing it to your own liking. So I really wanted to share this information with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this walkthrough as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Be sure to show me some love. I really appreciate y'all for showing me as much love as you have on my last home tour. So if you haven't seen that one yet, be sure to check that one out, and I will put it on the end card after this video so that you guys could go ahead and click over and watch that video. But as always, I will bring you guys more information about living in San Antonio, about the communities, more virtual home tours, and make sure that if you have any questions at all or you want any more information about what it's like to live here or looking to relocate to the area, that you shoot me an email, slide into my DMs, give me a call. However you want to get a hold of me, I've got your back when moving to San Antonio.